In the realm of neurology, stroke stands as a leading cause of death and disability worldwide. However, the therapeutic and diagnostic landscape is undergoing a revolution with innovative solutions poised to transform patient outcomes. Join us as we delve into the world of stroke therapeutics and diagnostics, exploring the key trends, drivers, and opportunities shaping this dynamic field. Welcome to our channel, your place for the latest in business and technology. 1. Executive summarize global stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market is projected to grow from $38.98 billion in 2024 to $83.91 billion by 2034, reflecting a compound annual growth rate CAGR of 7.96%. Ischemic strokes, accounting for approximately 87% of all stroke cases globally, are the primary focus of current therapeutic and diagnostic developments. This growth is driven by a combination of technology push and the market pull factors. 2. Technology push and market pull. Dynamics technology push advanced imaging modalities, continued innovation in computed tomography CT, magnetic resonance imaging MRI, and positron emission tomography PET scans is improving the speed and accuracy of stroke detection and characterization, enabling more timely interventions and better treatment selection. AI-powered diagnostics. Several companies have developed artificial intelligence AI algorithms that have received regulatory approval for quickly detecting intracranial hemorrhages and large vessel occlusions (LVOs) on medical images, aiding rapid diagnosis and treatment planning. Portable diagnostic devices. There's an active effort to develop lightweight mobile CT scanners, such as those being built by Micro-X and others, which can be used in ambulances for pre-hospital stroke diagnosis. This could revolutionize stroke triage and care delivery. Market pull. Aging population. The global population is aging, with a significant rise in geriatric individuals in regions like North America and Europe. This trend is leading to a higher incidence of strokes, thereby driving the demand for effective stroke diagnostics and therapeutics. Lifestyle factors. The growing prevalence of risk factors such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension is contributing to the rising burden of strokes worldwide. These factors increase the need for improved stroke management strategies. Healthcare initiatives. Government programs focused on preventing stroke and promoting early intervention, along with initiatives to increase access to advanced imaging technologies, are also fueling market expansion. 3. Top 5 global innovators. Product due diligence. We've identified 5 leading innovators based on factors like product differentiation, market adoption, clinical evidence, and commercial traction. These companies span the spectrum from established pharma players to cutting-edge startups. 3.1 Novartis Abelacimab 3.1.1 Indication: Prevention of strokes and blood clots. 3.1.2 Mechanism: Factor Xa inhibitor anticoagulant. 3.1.3 Development status: Acquired from Anthos Therapeutics for up to $3.1 billion. Clinical trials have shown promising results. 3.1.4 Patent and exclusivity not disclosed. Expected to be protected by patents and regulatory exclusivity. 3.1.5 Value proposition: Safer anticoagulant with a lower bleeding risk compared to existing therapies. 3.2 Boston Scientific Transcarotid Artery Revascularization TCAR. 3.1 Indication: Stroke prevention in patients with carotid artery disease. 3.2 Mechanism: Minimally invasive stenting with flow reversal to prevent embolism during the procedure. 3.3 Development status: Acquired Silk Road Medical for $1.16 billion. FDA approved and gaining market traction. 3.4 Patent and exclusivity protected by device-related patents. 3.5 Value proposition: Less invasive alternative to carotid endarterectomy with potentially lower procedural stroke risk. 3.3 Aidoc AI-powered diagnostic tools. 3.3.1 Indication: Detection of intracranial hemorrhages and large vessel occlusions. 3.3.2 Mechanism. AI algorithms analyze medical imaging to support timely diagnosis. 3.3.3 Development status. Approved in the US and Europe. Deployed in over 900 hospitals globally. 3.3.4 Patent and exclusivity. Likely protected by software IP rights and algorithms. 3.3.5 Value proposition. Improves diagnostic accuracy and speed, reducing delays in treatment. 3.4 Micro-X Mobile CT Scanner. 3.4 1 Indication. Rapid stroke diagnosis in pre-hospital and rural settings. 3.42 Mechanism. Portable CT scanner using nanoelectronic X-ray next technology. 3.4 3.5 UpFront Diagnostics Finger prick blood test. 3.5 1 Indication. Rapid identification of large vessel occlusion LVO strokes. 3.52 Mechanism. Lateral flow assay detecting biomarkers of clotting and bleeding. 3.5 3 Development status. Clinical trials underway. Aims for results in under 15 minutes. 3.54 Patent and exclusivity. Protected by diagnostic method patents. 3.54 Economic valuation and forecast 2025-2030. Based on NPV estimates and expected 2030 market impact, we've summarized the projected economic valuations for the top innovators in the field below. 5 Strategic recommendations for continued success and market leadership. Companies in the stroke therapeutics and diagnostics space should prioritize lifecycle management strategies, collaborations, geographic expansion, regulatory engagement, and differentiated value propositions. By focusing on these areas, players can ensure long-term growth and make a lasting impact in the fight against stroke. 6 Conclusion. Stroke therapeutics and diagnostics market is poised for transformation driven by technological advancements, changing demographics, and a greater understanding of stroke mechanisms. As we look to the future, the companies at the forefront of innovation will shape the way stroke is prevented, diagnosed, and treated, ultimately improving the lives of countless patients worldwide. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the dynamic world of stroke therapeutics and diagnostics, highlighting the key trends, drivers, and opportunities. If you found this information valuable, please don't hesitate to show your support. Stay tuned for more insightful content in the future. Until then, take care and goodbye.